Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my podcast. Today is 19th of January 2025, and we'll be reviewing the markets and looking at what to expect from the week. As usual, we'll start from looking at the weekly time frame to have a sense of where we are, and take it down to other time frame that will be of interest to our review. The Euro USD from the weekly standpoint, we've seen that the markets have been on a steady decline since mid 2024, following the fundamental relationship between the Eurozone and the dollar, and this is principally due to the central bank decisions and policy around interest rates, which also speaks to the impact of inflation in the zone. So from the weekly standpoint, we've made new lows in the course of the last week. We've seen many weeks of bearish candles, and we made a new low just around the low period of the November 2022. So we stay on the downside from the weekly side, and from the daily side, you can clearly see that we've been in the last 4-5 months, it's been down the road. However, we are beginning to see some compression. Look at the speed at which this downtrend was formed. You see a strong downtrend and a little pullback, followed by another strong downtrend and some pullback. We had a further down here, testing the low of November. It held a little, it tried to pull back, but the buyers were overwhelmed, and it broke to a new low. Seeing the pullback, and it broke again, and we are seeing the pullback. So looking at the way the market is behaving, it will appear that the sellers are running out of steam. Technically, the trend is still to the downside. However, it appears that we might see some stalling in this area, or we might see some pullback, having lost about over 1,000 pips in the last 4 months. So the chances of a pullback seems high, looking at the way the market has behaved. And I think from this point it will be fair to see that most likely we'll see a pullback to the 38% retracement level, given the way the market is. And most probably we'll see how the market reacts in the course of the week, and uh, and see how to play the market in this regard.